Well, hello again everybody, welcome back, and today we have a new addition to the collection. This was sent to me by Waddac 2, so much appreciated. And he also sent me this American, which is the 7260, which is a tubular lock. I'm going to have to make a special tension wrench to get into that one, so we'll come back to that one. Today we're looking at the Brinks, and it is the 642, which is also surprisingly similar to the American 1100. You can see all the dimensions, everything looks the same. The only differences are drain hole in the bottom on the Brinks, drain hole on the back on the American. I'm fairly sure this has probably got an American core in it because the key fits in both, and we have a lot of spring tension on there, which does make this tricky. We've got quite good bitting, as you can see, 5-pin key, 4 and 5 hidden up behind 3, but I'm sure I can count 6 in here, so I think this has been messed about with. And also I've just knocked my tension wrench on the floor. If we can see in there, pin 1 has got a serrated key pin, so very much like an American. And excuse me a sec while I pick up the tension wrench. Yeah, but it's quite a tricky pick because of the key tension on it, and I will tell you, this is the third attempt getting this on camera. First 2 times I managed to pick it. There we go, in focus, and the tension wrench slipped out before I could get it fully open. So attempt number 3. So we're on 6, a couple of clicks out of 6. I think I just overset 4. Sorry, 5. Let's just double check that. So let the tension off. That seems to have come back down now. There was 4. And we've got very slight movement on the core. A little bit of counter rotation, and a click. That was 2. Counter rotation on 1. I'm sure I heard something drop, which would have been 2. There we go. 1 and 2. 6, 5, we've got counter rotation, and 4, 2 has dropped again, so you know, just keep on having to just check, make sure haven't picked it without realising because of that spring tension. I'm going to hold that a sec and just make sure the tension wrench is seated properly. That was 6, and we've got a tiny little extra bit of movement on the core. 5, and we are open. Right, I'm going to be very careful here. I'm going to get another tension wrench. Try and, no, there we go, yes, actually got it open this time. But it's quite a wide open keyway at the top there, as you can see, and like I say, twice the tension wrench slipped out and it locked itself back up before I managed to get the shackle open. But third time lucky. So there is that. Let's adjust the camera. There we go. And let's have a look inside. And there we go. All fairly normal, what you would expect. Stick those there out of the way. And circlip. That's that off. And I can use finally my new follower, solid steel, made by Andy H97, designed specifically with that half moon, because when you pick this it's always in the wrong position. So he made me this one, the first time of using it, and works perfectly. And one bit of luck, we do have 6 pins in there, so at least I didn't make myself look a fool. As you can see, they all needed picking as well. So let's see what we have. Come on. These don't seem to want to come out. There's one which is serrated, 2 serrated, 3 serrated, 4 is standard, 5 is serrated, come on, and 6 is also serrated. I can see the serrations, there we go. Get those set into place and get a set of tweezers. Let's see what we got up top. So we have serrated spool, so it definitely looks like American pins. Serrated spool, serrated, serrated spool, serrated spool, and a serrated in 6. Should have a full complement of springs, hopefully. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Where's the other one gone? I can see it actually in chamber 2. There we go, got it. So there we go, quick close-up of those. What we focus, like I say, they all look like American pins, especially the serrated spools. But quite a tricky little pick with that spring tension on it, but a nice bit of fun. So thanks again to Waddac 2 for sending this. That was a lot of fun, and that would be nice in the collection. And I hope you enjoyed that, and I'll see you again soon. Thanks, bye.